Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 21, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column I, second row, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. You can confirm later. Third grid and sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7 and 5 will confirm later. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Fourth row and second row, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column E, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 4 and 9 will confirm later. Column E, we have 4, 9, 5. The 3 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, will confirm later. Column E, column J, we have pair numbers 4, 9, 5. So 4, 9, 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells, will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 9th grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 10th also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 3. And 5th row, 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, column G, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column C, we have 2. 10th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 7th row and 8th row. So 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 6th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 9th row, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column B, column D, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 8th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 8th row only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 3rd row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 4th grid only one number is remaining, 9 is 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9, it will come here one of these cells, confirm later. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 3rd row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 7th grid only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1st grid 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 3rd row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 3rd row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 3rd row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column G we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 2nd grid 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 6. Column F we have 7 and 6, so 7 and 6 can't come in the cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column E we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 2nd grid 8 is confirmed here. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 5th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 5th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 5th row only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th grid 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column F we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 8th grid 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.